Hello and welcome to this first unboxing video of this channel. This is Phonik Jan and I hope you enjoy the unboxing of the Witblox Robotics kit. So now we will be unboxing this Amazon package. This rubber band, and this is the box. There's this. So this is how the box looks from the front and the back, and here there is, like, you can write the name of the creator. So now let's open the box. Here is the tape. So this is the kit from inside. So first, an instruction manual. Some parts for building stuff. And finally, the kit. So I will go through all of the parts. A special gift. I'll be opening this. So first, there's the first is the maker's badge. There are 2 tires. This will be for a car. There's one battery. There is some tape, double-sided tape, some screws. Now there are some 2 motor drivers, or the circuit board for 2 motor drivers, 2 motors, a distance circuit, a dark sensor, a buzzer, an inverter, power, lamp or LED, in and out. So now this is, for example, we have various things like this smart study lamp. So these are all the parts for making it. And a robotic car. You can make many more projects with this, but these projects come with it. So here is the instruction manual. So the instruction manual is very good. It has a lot of pictures. And now the special gift. Let's see what's there in that. So in the special gift we have got another motor, some propellers, and so they have given some extra parts for us in a gift. So this was the unboxing of this kit. I hope you enjoyed this.